been constructed in Uttarakhand on which river? Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi Tehri Dam is built on Bhagirathi in Tehri river, Tehri Garhwal district, Uttarakhand. Ramganga host Ramganga Dam, part of Kumayu regions irrigation project. ये रामगंगा जो है एक पेन गंगा है, वो गोदावरी की ट्राइब्यूटरी है। ये रामगंगा गंगा जी की हैं। अलकनंदा रिवर is another tributary of Ganga but does not have Tehri Dam. भील गंगा is tributary of भागीरथी। भील गंगा किसकी है? भागीरथी की। Not the main river of Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam is the tallest dam of India, 260.5 meter, and is built on the Bhagirathi river, a major tributary of the Ganga. Bhil Ganga river joins Bhagirathi near Tehri Dam. हाँ, भील गंगा river join Bhagirathi near Tehri Dam, forming the reservoir. The dam serves multiple projects, including flood control, hydroelectric power generation, and irrigation. The Bhagirathi river originates from Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand. Tehri Dam is a part of larger Tehri hydroelectric complex, which include Koteshwar Dam downstream. Total installed capacity 2400 megawatt, including Tehri PSP Koteshwar projects. On which of the following river has Tehri hydropower project been constructed? Bhagirathi and Bhil Ganga. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda not part of Tehri hydro. Yamuna and Bhagirathi. Yamuna is separate from Bhagirathi basin. Kali and Tons, these rivers are in Uttarakhand but are unrelated to Tehri project. Bhagirathi and Bhil Ganga. Tehri Dam is built on Bhagirathi river, while Bhil Ganga contribute to its reservoir. Tehri Dam is built on the Bhagirathi river, ठीक, while Bhil Ganga contributes to its reservoir. Bhil Ganga क्या है? भागीरथी की ट्राइब्यूटरी. Tehri hydropower project harness the water from Bhagirathi and Bhil Ganga river to generate electricity. The project is operated by THDC, Tehri Hydro Development Corporation. Tehri Hydro Electric project is designed in 3 phases. कैसे? Tehri Dam and Hydro Power Plant 1000 megawatt, Koteshwar Dam 400 megawatt, Tehri Pumped Storage Project 1000 megawatt under development है. It provides water to Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. On which one of the following river is the Tehri hydropower complex located? Bhagirathi. Alaknanda joins Bhagirathi at Devprayag to form Ganga but does not have Tehri project. Bhagirathi Tehri hydropower complex is located in Bhagirathi river. Dhauli Ganga hosts Dhauli Ganga hydroelectric project. Mandakini is another tributary of Ganga not linked to Tehri Dam. The Tehri hydropower complex is centered around Bhagirathi river in Uttarakhand. It includes multiple dams and powerhouses for hydroelectricity generation. Tehri Dam reservoirs approximately 42 square kilometer and has a capacity of 4 billion cubic meters. Tehri is one of the India's most controversial dam project due to its location in an earthquake prone zone. ठीक. Tehri Dam is constructed on which river? Ganga river या भागीरथी मान लीजिए. Tehri कोई नाम नहीं है. Yamuna flows separately and does not have Tehri Dam. Alaknanda merges with Bhagirathi at Devprayag और गंगा बन जाती हैं. Ganga Bhagirathi is main tributary of Ganga, making the option correct. Tehri Dam is officially on Bhagirathi river, but since Bhagirathi formed the Ganga, selecting Ganga river is correct alternative. This is India's tallest dam and major water storage facility. Tehri Dam has faced environmental protests led by Sundarlal Bahuguna and Chipko movement activists. The dam is designed to withstand seismic activity up to 8.5 on Richter scale. मतलब 8 अगर मतलब भूकंप आ सकता है तो 8.5 तक आ सकता है. In the given figure, the site of Tehri Dam has been labeled as C represent the confluence of Bhagirathi and Bhil Ganga, where Tehri Dam is located. Tehri Dam is built on the confluence of Bhagirathi and Bhil Ganga. Tehri reservoir has submerged the old town Tehri, which was relocated. It supplies drinking water to over 40 lakh people in Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Introduction of Tehri Dam, largest and tallest dam in India, 260.5 meters, located in Tehri Garhwal district, Uttarakhand, built on Bhagirathi river at its confluence with Bhilganga. Approved in 1972, construction started in 1978. हाँ, पर्पज क्या है? इरिगेशन, सपोर्ट एग्रीकल्चर इन उत्तर प्रदेश एंड उत्तराखंड, हाइड्रो पावर जनरेशन, सप्लाइज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू नॉर्थन स्टेट, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर सर्व दिल्ली, यूपी एंड उत्तराखंड, फ्लड कंट्रोल, रिड्यूसेस फ्लड इन गंगा बेसिन। हाइट कितना है तहरी का? 260.5 मीटर्स, लेंथ 575 मीटर, रिजर्वेयर कैपेसिटी 4 बिलियन क्यूबिक मीटर्स, इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी 2400 मेगावाट इंक्लूडिंग पीएसपी एंड कोटेश्वर। मतलब 3 चीज़ों में करके। रिवर बेसिन भागीरथी गंगा भील गंगा, ऑपरेटेड THDC इंडिया लिमिटेड। इन्वायरमेंटल एंड सोशल इशू, लोकेटेड एंड हाई रिस्क अर्थक्वेक जोन 8.5 स्केल पे, डिस्प्लेसमेंट ओवर 1 लाख पीपल रिलोकेटेड ड्यू टू सबमर्जेंस ऑफ तहरी टाउन। Environmental protests, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Chipko movement and others, controversial and opposition. Local residents and environmentalists opposed the dam due to ecological damage. It led the displacement of old Tehri town. Despite concern, the Supreme Court allowed construction in the 20s. मतलब 2000. Tehri Dam is India's tallest dam, to 60.5 meter, located in Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand. It provides irrigation, electricity, 2400 megawatt, drinking water and flood control, part of Tehri hydropower complex including Koteshwar Dam and pumped storage project. Highly controversial due to displacement and seismic risk. Protests led by environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna। ठीक, अब आगे आते हैं हम लोग दामोदर वैली प्रोजेक्ट। तिलैया डैम इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन विच रिवर? Barakar. Damodar is main river, but Tilaiya Dam is on its tributaries. Barakar. Tilaiya Dam is built on the Barakar River in Kodarma district, Jharkhand. Barakar. Konar Dam is built on the Konar River, another tributary of Damodar. Usri River is in Jharkhand, but not related to Damodar Valley project. Tilaiya Dam is located at Barakar River, a tributary of Damodar River in Kodarma, Jharkhand. Constructed in 1953, it serves irrigation, hydroelectric power generation and flood control. Barakar River is the largest tributary of Damodar River. Tilaiya Dam is part of Damodar Valley Project, India's first multi-purpose river valley project. Maithon, Belpahari and Tilaiya dams are constructed on Barakar River. मतलब ये Maithon, Belpahari and Tilaiya dams are constructed on which river? Damodar. Damodar is the main river, but these dams are in its tributary. Barakar, these dams are built on Barakar river. Maithon, Belpahari और तिलैया Barakar river. ये Barakar क्या है? दामोदर की ट्राइब्यूटरी है। Konar hosts Konar dam, but not Maithon, Belpahari and Tilaiya. Bokaro river is another tributary, but does not host these dams. Maithon, Belpahari and Tilaiya dams are constructed on Barapar rivers, a major tributary of Damodar. These dams were part of first phase of Damodar Valley project. Maithon Dam was completed in 1957, is used for flood control and hydroelectricity. Belpahari and Tilaiya were constructed in 1950s as part of project expansion. River Damodar, consider the following statement. River Damodar was known as River of Saru in West Bengal before Damodar Valley Cooperation was developed. बिल्कुल सही है। Damodar was known as Saru of Bengal due to frequent floods. Before Damodar Valley Corporation, the Damodar River frequently flooded the Bengal region, causing massive destruction. River flows rapidly in its upper reaches and sluggishly in its lower reaches, leading to sedimentation and unpredictable flooding. DVC was modeled after the Tennessee Valley Authority, USA. Since it established in 1948, DVC was controlled floods and supported irrigation and hydroelectricity. When was the Damodar Valley Corporation established? 1948 में. DVC was established on 7 July 1948 under the Damodar Valley Corporation Act. The Damodar Valley Corporation Act was India's first multi-purpose river valley project. और सबसे पहला जो बना था वो हीराकुड डैम बना था, लेकिन रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट डीवीसी था. इट वाज क्रिएटेड अंडर द दामोदर वैली कॉर्पोरेशन एक्ट 1948 पास्ड बाय सेंट्रल लेजिस्लेचर. इट ऑपरेट्स इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड झारखंड, मैनेजिंग फ्लड कंट्रोल, इरिगेशन एंड हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिसिटी. DVC's हेडक्वार्टर्स इज इन कोलकाता एंड वेस्ट बंगाल. अच्छा देखिए, महानदी छत्तीसगढ़ से निकलती है, उड़ीसा, और दामोदर झारखंड से निकल के वेस्ट बंगाल. विच वॉज द फर्स्ट मल्टीपर्पज रिवर प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? तो दामोदर वैली प्रोजेक्ट, द फर्स्ट वैली प्रोजेक्ट. DVC was the first post-independence multi-purpose project modeled the Tennessee Valley Authority, USA. It aimed at a flood control, irrigation, hydroelectric power generation, and soil conservation. Bhakhara, Nangar, and Hirakud followed later as part of 5-year plans. DVC played a major role in industrialization by providing power to Bihar, West Bengal, and Jharkhand. ठीक. अब देखा जाए इंट्रोडक्शन टू दामोदर वैली प्रोजेक्ट DPP. फर्स्ट मल्टीपर्पज रिवर वैली प्रोजेक्ट इन इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया, कवर झारखंड एंड वेस्ट बंगाल, मॉडल आफ्टर द टिनेज वैली अथॉरिटी, USA. दामोदर रिवर सिस्टम, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू, झारखंड. दामोदर रिवर सिस्टम, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू, झारखंड. लेंथ 592 किलोमीटर. ट्रिब्यूटरी बाराकर, कोनार, बोकारो, खरकई, जमुनिया. दामोदर रिवर बाराकर, कोनार, बोकारो, खरकई, जमुनिया merges into Hooghly River in West Bengal. Purpose and benefit of DVC: बाराकर, मैथुन और अच्छा तिलैया. Purpose and benefit of DVC: flood control, prevent disastrous flood in Bengal. Irrigation, supplies water to agriculture in West Bengal and Jharkhand. Power generation, supplies electricity to industries in the region. Industrial goods, support coal mining and steel production. Environmental and social issues, pollution. Damodar is highly polluted due to coal mining and industry displacement. Thousands of people displaced for dam production. Sedimentation, affect water shortage capacity of dams. The Damodar Valley Project was India's first multi-purpose river valley project in 1948. Damodar was known as Sorrow of Bengal due to floods. DVC manages flood control, irrigation and power generation in Jharkhand and West Bengal. Major dam तिलैया, मैथुन, पंचेट, कोनार. ये तिलैया, मैथुन, ये कहाँ है? बाराकर रिवर पे. पंचेट है वेस्ट बंगाल में. DVC ऑपरेट अंडर दामोदर वैली कॉरपोरेशन एक्ट 1948. ठीक है, देखिए कि इस्टेब्लिश 7 जुलाई 1948, हेडक्वार्टर कोलकाता, वेस्ट बंगाल. गवर्नेंस मैनेज्ड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड झारखंड. मेजर डैम तिलैया, कोनार, मैथुन, पंचेट, बेलपहाड़ी. पावर प्लांट, थर्मल एंड हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक पावर प्लांट्स. तिलैया बाराकर झारखंड 1953 में बना, इरिगेशन और हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए. कोनार रिवर, कोनार झारखंड 1955, वाटर स्टोरेज पावर. मैथुन बाराकर झारखंड 1957, फ्लड कंट्रोल एंड पावर. पंचेत दामोदर वेस्ट बंगाल 1959, इरिगेशन एंड हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक, तो ये होता है हम लोगों का कंप्लीट. थैंक यू, बाय बाय.